Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hey Hassan, I keep hearing the word Shia. Some people say it's division, others say it's something bad. What does it really mean?
Good question, Ali. Actually, the word Shia comes straight from the Quran. Want me to show you?
Of course.
Here, Surah As-Safat, verse 83. And most surely Ibrahim was among his Shia. That means Prophet Ibrahim was from the followers of Prophet Nuh.
Wait, so Shia just means followers?
Exactly. And look here, Surah Al-Qasas, verse 15. One of his Shia cried out to Musa for help. That means one of the followers of Prophet Musa. So the word Shia is as old as the prophets themselves.
Wow. So being Shia means being a follower of Allah's chosen leaders.
Exactly. And it gets even more interesting. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him himself, used the word Shia. In Tafsir Tabari and Dur al-Manthus, he told Imam Ali, "Glad tidings, O Ali, you and your Shia will be in paradise."
He actually said that? That Ali and his Shia are in paradise?
Yes. And in Shawahid al-Tanzil, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Ali and his Shia are the successful ones on the day of judgment.
So this isn't something new, it's the Prophet's own words.
And look at this, Surah Ali Imran, verse 103. And hold fast all of you together to the rope of Allah, and be not divided.
But what is the rope of Allah?
The Prophet, peace be upon him, explained, it's the Quran and is Ahlulbayt, both together. Whoever holds on to them will never go astray.
So being Shia means holding onto the rope of Allah by following Imam Ali and the Ahlulbayt.
That's why the Prophet gave Ali and his Shia glad tidings. Shia is not division. It means being loyal followers of truth, from the time of Nuh, Ibrahim, Musa, all the way to Muhammad and his family.
Now I get it. Shia means following the path of the prophets and the family of the Prophet, peace be upon him, a path that leads to paradise.